Through craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, Neubert Painting can give you the kitchen cabinets you've always wanted. We use only the finest quality materials, and our custom coatings offer an unbeatable, smooth, and durable finish. You'll be able to choose from a variety of rich and vibrant colors, and you'll have a new kitchen at a fraction of the cost of replacing your current cabinets. Once we get the go-ahead from you, the magic really begins. First, our expert craftsman removes the doors and drawers from the cabinets. You do not need to remove the contents of cabinets and drawers. You will have access to your kitchen and its contents throughout the entire process. After the doors and drawers are removed, they are brought back to our shop. The cabinets are scrubbed to remove any contaminants. After a thorough cleaning, the doors and drawers are sanded. Next, the doors and drawers receive 2 coats of primer in our spray booth. Then your kitchen is masked and prepared meticulously. All floors, appliances, and cabinet openings are protected. Once the masking and protection is complete, we begin preparing the cabinet frames and boxes, and the doorways are sealed. Then priming begins in the kitchen and all surfaces are sprayed, giving you a factory smooth finish. Finally, cabinet doors and drawers are reinstalled, and our crew completes a final cleanup of your kitchen. Contact us today to find out more about cabinet refinishing from Neubert Painting.